Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Hunter at the Culinary Institute of Canada. Today we're making blood orange aioli. We've got some blood orange infused olive oil from Liquid Gold. We're going to use that, an egg, a little bit of lemon, garlic. It's going to go great with fish, vegetables, spread on a sandwich. Very easy to make. Okay, for the aioli we're going to start with an egg yolk, some crushed garlic, and we're going to whisk that together with a little bit of water, a couple of teaspoons of water. Now we're going to put the bowl over some simmering water. You can put a dishcloth in the pan just to steady the bowl. And that's going to cook the egg very slowly. Now you have to make sure you don't overcook the eggs here. So if it's too hot, the eggs will curdle. You just want very, very gently simmering, steaming water. Okay, we're going to add about half a cup of the blood orange olive oil. I'm going to season it with a bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper, just a pinch. A little bit of lemon juice, no seeds. And I'm going to thin it with a couple of drops of cold water. And there we have it. It's very simple. That's the texture you're looking for. If you want it to be a little softer, just add a little more water to it to soften it up a bit. Of course, you're going to taste to make sure. Our blood orange aioli is ready to go. We've made it with blood orange infused olive oil, egg, a little bit of seasoning. We're going to serve it with halibut today. We've got a nice poached halibut with a scallop mousseline in the center, some boiled baby red potatoes, toss in a little bit of herb olive oil, and some prosciutto wrapped asparagus. For those recipes, see the links because we've got videos on those as well, the halibut and the asparagus.